Dear student, today we will solve the exercise 2.5 on the basis of properties of subtraction. Now see here first example, 65,432 minus 0 is equal to fill in the blanks. Here we know the one property, property of 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Now see some example. If I write 5 minus 0 is equal to answer 5. If I write 100 minus 0, answer 100. If I write 1025 minus 0, answer is 1025. If I write 257 minus 0, answer is 257. Means this number and this number is same. Now here observe. Okay. Now same here. Here question is that 65,432 minus 0. The answer is same. 65,432. Now see second example. 1,25,126 minus 1 is equal to. Now here we know the one property of 1. If 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. Now see some example. 5 minus 1, answer is 4. If I write 100 minus 1, answer is 99. Means predecessor of the given number. Previous number. Predecessor means previous number of the given number. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is the predecessor of the 5. Here 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. 99 is the predecessor of the 100. Same like that here 1,25,126 minus 1. What is the predecessor? 1,25,125. But here if you again confuse, then you can directly subtract 1,25,126 minus 1. In this way you can subtract 6 minus 1, 5, here 2, here 1, here 5, here 2, here 1. Then here no any mistakes will occur. Now what is the answer? 1,25,125. Now see here third example. 22,567 minus 22,567. Now here observe. Same number. And we know that one property, if a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 5 minus 5, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 1,000 minus 1,000, 0. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh is equal to 0. Same here, 22,567 minus 22,567. Answer is 0. Now see fourth example. 45,623 minus fill in the blanks is equal to 45,623. Now here just observe. This number and this number is same. 45,623 and 45,623. And according to the property, what is the answer here? Property of 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay. According to that property, here answer is 0. Now see some example. If I write 5 minus fill in the blanks is equal to 5, answer is 0. If I write 627 minus fill in the blanks is equal to 627, answer is 0. If I write 1 lakh minus fill in the blanks is equal to 1 lakh. Answer is 0. Here in this exercise you should just think properly according to the properties of subtraction. Okay.